The new generation of BMW electric cars is here, and they come with impressive range and polarizing styling. BMW's first attempt at an EV for the masses was the i3 subcompact hatchback. Made with a carbon fiber chassis, it was expensive. Its mediocre range was fine, but BMW needed to offer a gasoline-powered extender to help with range anxiety. Even so, aggressive lease pricing was the only way for BMW to move the metal. Carbon. Now the company is getting serious and introducing two mainstream premium electrics. The iX and i4 represent a new design language for BMW's electric cars and the future of the brand. Bold styling means you won't mistake them for anything else on the road, and with competitive range, you also won't see them stopped on the shoulder out of juice. Looking first at the BMW i4, we find a mid-sized four-door liftback, available in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Ranges up to 300 miles on the eDrive 40 model or 245 miles on the M50 version, which trades efficiency for a stout 536 horsepower. Starting at $56,395, the i4 eDrive 40 sits between the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model S in terms of size and performance. The M50 variant, with all-wheel drive, starts at $66,895. Both prices include $995 for delivery. The i4 is the more traditional of the two BMWs. It has a classic sedan profile, not unlike the 3 and 4 Series gas-powered versions, but with the added benefit of a functional liftback. Like the M models of the 3 and 4 Series, the i4 also has the brand's newest kidney grille design, which looks fine enough on the sedan, if completely unnecessary. Reminder, electric cars don't need grilles. Inside is standard BMW fare, but the i4 does feature the new iDrive 8 operating system. This OS includes a built-in personal assistant, customizable profiles, and over-the-air software updates, which means fewer trips to the dealership. BMW also claims that by combining all of its connected services, the company can provide the most accurate range estimates currently available on the market. Catering to those who don't want a sedan, the iX is an electric BMW with an SUV stance. The xDrive 50 model has all-wheel drive and an estimated 300 miles of range. The 516 combined horsepower gets the iX from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Coming early next year, it'll start at $84,195, including delivery. The first thing you'll notice about the iX is the exterior design. In profile, it doesn't look too unusual, just some sharp body lines to indicate it's a future-focused vehicle. Up front, though, is a different story. The iX has BMW's huge kidney grilles, which are absolutely massive. They house the advanced driver assistance sensors, all of which are heated so they don't accumulate ice during the winter. There is no front trunk or frunk on the iX, so the hood's BMW logo is actually the cover for putting windshield washer fluid into the vehicle. Around back, the rear badge serves double duty as well, housing a camera with an integrated washer. Meanwhile, the liftgate is a power-operated unit, making it easier to load and unload cargo. The body of the iX features use of carbon fiber to help keep some of the weight down. Stepping into the iX shows off an attractive interior with olive leaf-tanned leather. Crystal is also featured prominently, with the seat adjustment in the door made from the ultra-luxe material. Crystal is used heavily on the new iDrive controller and center console as well. The control stack is arranged on a flying console, reaching out from between the two front seats. Most of the buttons here are also crystal. iDrive 8 is also in the iX, featuring bright screens and advanced functionality. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are here too, and are available to wirelessly connect. Most notable about iDrive 8 is the system's ability to find charging stations and offer precise range estimates based on everything from elevation to the current weather forecast. Rear seat room is similar to that in a Tesla Model Y, but the seats are more plush. There's a litany of phone connection options throughout the cabin, and all connectors feature the updated USB-C connector. Until we get a chance to drive these cars, it's hard to compare the overall experience to something from Tesla or another premium competitor, but there are some key takeaways we can talk about. BMW put a lot of time and effort in ensuring these vehicles look and feel like BMWs. Build quality, even on these pre-production prototypes, is solid. Both vehicles will also DC fast charge at up to 200 kilowatts, which is better than a lot of the brand's competition. While priced higher than similar Tesla models, both the i4 and iX are targeting a customer looking for a different type of driving experience. Aggressive lease pricing, which will surely come, should put the BMW lineup right in the sights of the leader from Fremont. Both the i4 and iX should hit retailers in the United States in Q1 of 2022.